So besides creating your own maps in the My Maps tool, you can also look at other maps that people have created and just some little useful application type maps. And some of the coolest stuff is right here. You know, we're in the My Maps tab and we're signed into our Google account. It's just right here under Feature Content. So when I click this real estate search, you just got this little search right here, and you just enter in your what you want. You can add a location, or you can just search from the current map view. And then when you search it, you see you get your results down here, but you also get them on your map, and that's pretty cool. And besides that real estate view, there's just other cool things right here, like this this little picture view right here, just from around town, and some other ones, Weather Channel, gas prices, pretty cool. So these are some of the featured maps and some of the kind of the coolest things you can get with the other maps. But you know, turning these on and off, you just click the little checkbox right here. So if you'd like to search for something different, though, here's some good ways to do it. Probably a really cool way to do it is this Browse Popular Maps. And when I check this, it's going to show me all the popular maps from my current map view. So you can see there's a walking in Austin link right here, things to do while outdoors in Austin. And it brings them all up. So that's a pretty good way to find local maps in your area. Just go to your area and then browse popular maps. Another way to do it would be to browse the directory, and then you can see the popular maps here. And if you wanted to add one, let's see, add this elevation contours. I just added it. So now when I go back to Google Maps, just wait for it to load real fast. Or, sorry, I got to switch over to My Maps. Now it's in this Created by Others category, and I can turn that on and off. So that's pretty cool. Another thing about the Browse Popular Maps, if I decide to add, see, I click on one, and then I can see it, and if I like it, I'll do Save to My Maps. And then I add it to My Maps, and then just like the elevation contours, it's going to be in this Created by Others category. So you can see the Created by Me are the one I just showed you how to make, and then you add these Created by Others. It's just a cool way to personalize Google Maps for you. So that's how you look at other maps in the My Maps section of Google Maps.